Hello, I'm Gavin Watson from Auto Post, and in this video tutorial I'm going to take you through how to configure TuneIn Auto Post on our platform. So the first thing that we're going to do is log into the Auto Post control panel, and that's at cp.autopo.st. And we've got a test account here that I'm going to log into, and you should have your credentials that you would have received in your welcome email when you signed up to our service. So just go ahead and enter your username and password here and click on the sign in button. Okay, so to set up TuneIn Auto Post, we're going to be following the guide that's in the help section of our control panel. And here you can see TuneIn Auto Post underneath the help section. So I've got that page open here, and we're just going to be going through step by step to get the service configured. So to start off with, the first thing we need to do is configure and set up your streaming server. And this is where we get the now playing and the song details from that we're going to be sending off to TuneIn. So to get that done, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the streaming server page here. And we're going to set up the streaming server. Now, your streaming server information you will have, and that will have been sent to you by your streaming provider, your host provider. And basically it consists of one of these platforms that are supported on our platform. For this demo, we're going to use Shoutcast version 1 as a test streaming server. And of course, you can enter whichever streaming platform you're currently using. So Shoutcast version 1 is what we're going to set up. The host name is this. That's where we're going to get our songs from, and a port number. And in the help guide here, there is a guide on what you need for each type of streaming platform. So Shoutcast version 1, version 2, Icecast, Radionomy, and all the other platforms that we support. So for Shoutcast version 1, we require hostname or IP address and the port number of your server. So we've entered this here, Shoutcast version 1, the hostname and the port number. So what we're going to do is we're going to submit that information and save it. Your information has been saved, and then we're going to click this test server button here, and that should return the name of the song that's currently playing on our Shoutcast server. And there we go. Okay, so that's that up and working. So now we can continue following the instructions. So we've configured the streaming server, and now we need our TuneIn Air API details. And this you will need to ask TuneIn for. So what we've done here is to get your TuneIn API details, please follow these instructions. Contact TuneIn the following email address. Give them your station ID. Now your station ID is a 6-digit number, and it begins with the letter S. So we've given you an example here of the radio station that we're going to configure, and here you can see the number S223652. Now that will be your station ID. And in your email to TuneIn to ask for the details, this is the email address you need to send it to. And we've given you a example text here that you can send to them. So please send me my partner ID and partner key for station, your station name, station ID, which is this 6-digit number beginning with the S, so that I can start using the Auto Post service to have my song information submitted to you via your Air API. Now, once they email you back and respond with that, what we're going to do is we're going to come along here to the TuneIn page and click on Now Playing, and that's where we're going to enter those details. So your radio station name, we're going to enter Auto Post Sandpit, which is just a test name that we use. My name is Gavin Watson. My email address is info@autopo.st. And now we're going to enter that TuneIn information. So I've got the details already for this radio station, for this test station that TuneIn have sent me. Here is the station ID. So we're going to copy that over into here. The TuneIn partner ID that TuneIn have sent me is this information here. So I'm going to copy that and enter it here. And then finally, the final bit of information that we need, which is the partner key. Okay. Enable, disable service. So do we want to send that information to TuneIn? We want to enable it. And we want to click the submit button to save that information. Okay, your TuneIn configuration has been saved. So that's all that we need. We need to configure the streaming server, which we've done and we've tested. And we need to enter the TuneIn information as well. It's enabled and we've submitted it. So that's it. So what I would expect now is if we pop over to the home page, you can see here that this hasn't been configured because we haven't got the information there. So what I'm expecting is if we refresh that page, then I'm expecting to see that error will clear, and we'll start to see some success posts on that page. So what I'm going to do now is just refresh that page, and we should see that error clear, and it should give us a successful post. There we go. So that's it. That's all that you have to do to configure the TuneIn Auto Post. That's now working, and we can probably verify that by quickly popping over to that radio station's page on TuneIn. And just make sure that the songs are correctly being displayed on the TuneIn site. And there we go. We can see that the songs are indeed being displayed. So that's it. That's all that you have to do to configure the TuneIn Auto Post service on our platform. And that concludes the setup for TuneIn Auto Post on our platform. If you need any help, then you can always go to the Contact Us page and you can raise a support ticket from here for us to take a look into whatever problem you may be having. So I hope you found that tutorial useful in setting up TuneIn Auto Post on our platform. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.